Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make a delicious yogurt curry. First, let's gather our essential ingredients. You will need 1 cup of fresh plain yogurt, 2 tablespoons of gram flour, and a few key spices. Also, prepare 1 medium onion, 1 inch of ginger, and 2 cloves of garlic. Having everything ready makes the cooking process smooth and enjoyable. Now, let's build the rich flavor base for our curry. In a bowl, whisk together the yogurt and gram flour until there are absolutely no lumps. This step is crucial for a smooth curry. Next, heat 2 tablespoons of cooking oil in a pan. Sauté your chopped onion until it turns a beautiful golden brown, then add the ginger garlic paste and cook for about 1 minute. It's time to bring all those wonderful flavors together. Add 1 teaspoon of turmeric and 1/2 teaspoon of red chili powder to your sautéed aromatics, cooking for 30 seconds. Then, slowly pour in the whisked yogurt mixture, stirring constantly to ensure it doesn't curdle. Bring the curry to a gentle boil, then reduce the heat and let it simmer for 15 to 20 minutes, allowing the flavors to deepen beautifully. For the perfect finish, let's add a flavorful tempering. In a small pan, heat 1 tablespoon of oil. Add 1 teaspoon of mustard seeds and a few fresh curry leaves, letting them splutter. Pour this aromatic tempering directly over your simmering yogurt curry. Finally, garnish generously with fresh cilantro. Serve this warm, comforting dish hot with steamed rice or your favorite flatbread for a truly satisfying meal.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.